If you are encountering NTDLL.DLL crash errors on your Windows 11 system, there are a few effective solutions you can try. First, we will perform a system file check. Open the Windows search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. This command will scan your system files for corruption and attempt to repair any found issues. Next, ensuring your Windows is up to date can resolve many common errors. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Navigate to the Windows Update tab. In the right pane, click on Check for Updates. Install any available updates. As a final troubleshooting step, we will perform a clean boot. This helps to identify if a background application or service is causing the conflict. Search for System Configuration in the Windows search bar and open it. Go to the Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. If any other services are still checked, click on Disable All. Then click Apply and OK. You will be prompted to restart your computer. After restarting, check if the NTDLL.DLL error persists. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.